Hi guys, welcome to XKTQTech's channel. Today we're playing Royal High. So this is my first year to Royal High Classic. I hope it's gonna be such good year. I'm so excited. I tried the new Royal High. My other school was more prettier, but it's okay. I think I'm gonna fit in here and I'm kinda gonna like it. And there's roses. So now I'm gonna go to my dorm. So now, who's the prom queen? I'm gonna vote for her. I hope they will vote for me. Even they don't know me, cause I really need that money. It will be really cool. Oh, it's the royal ball. I'm really too late. I can't go. So now I'm just gonna go to my dorm, and I will be prom queen. They don't even know me, but it's okay. Every day there's a prom day, and I really kinda like my hair. I knew it. My hair fits with my outfit, but my skirt and my shoes doesn't match, so I'm gonna change my style for tomorrow. But for that, we just may have one problem. We just have to find a cute dorm. Not that much. I got to have a key. What kind of school is this? I really prefer my own one, I think. It's really small. It's the smallest room I ever saw in my whole life. Like, it's not cool. Ew, it's... Okay. No. I really don't like it. I really don't like it here. It's too small. I used to have a more biggest room. It was big like the ball. If you see my first video, I'm just gonna go to sleep, so I'm gonna come back. Oh, I have a nasty face. Oh, I'm so bored. I can't even sleep. Oh, for peace of God. I think I'm gonna explore my outfit for tomorrow. And I'm the sugar plum fairy daughter, so they better respect me because I'm really nice and I can also be mean too. Yes. Yeah. Like totally. I know. My face look. I have pimples. It's so not pretty. Oh, that looks evil. I think I wanna be an evil girl, but no. My mom, the sugar plum princess fairy, she's gonna really be mad at me. Really, if I turn into a mean girl. She's gonna be so upset. she won't even look at me to my face. I look like a baby here. Those eyes scares me. Oh, it looks too fishy. I'm gonna take that out. I look like a nerd and I really kind of like this face. But my favorite one is this one. And I kind of like that too. But I really like that one and I don't know why. And it's my opinion, so please don't judge me. I think I'm gonna cut my hair. No, why did I done? My hair is too short now. Oh no, my hair is too short. How could I do my hair if is it too short? I don't want to look like my grandma like this. Like, what is this? Oh no, what did I do to my precious hair? To my precious hair. I've cut it. Why did I do that? I think I'm not gonna take that one. That is actually not great. I think I'm gonna cry. But this one looks really cool too. I just, this is my hair. My haircut is gonna be like this. I'm gonna put my hair like this. I really like blue. I wanna try a new color. I'm gonna see if it's gonna fit with my script. Oh my OMG. Okay. There's the green one. I think that color is not expected. Yeah. It looks too... No, that's just... No. That is just not my type. What did I do? I look like a mess now. I can't buy a new one. Why did I do that? My hair can go... Oh, no. I think I'm gonna let it like this. I look like this cool monster. I didn't mean to do this to me. What did I do? I don't have those cool clothes. I'm gonna have to change my script on my shoes. I'm gonna be the green princess. I'm a mess. I'm not taking go to school today. I'm a mess. I'm a princess. I cannot go like this. I look like a really big messy girl. And if my mom saw me like this, who knows what she's gonna say to me? We never know with her. We never know. Never. So now I'm just gonna go shopping for my heels. I have to do the same color. This is nasty of mine. I really regret it. That's ugly. It doesn't fit with my wings. I have only 5 or 6 pair of wings. Ice wings, fire wings, these wings, let me check. Nature wings. I think I'm gonna put the nature one. Go shopping. I'm really mad at myself. I really regret what I did. So, Let me show you. I have that one. That makes 1. I have that one makes 2. And I have that one that makes 3. And I have that one who makes 5. That one makes I didn't buy it. I have those parallels on the same thing. I look like a perfect nerd now, but I don't care. I don't care about what those people think, because I just want to school and to become the greatest, prettiest princess ever. Yay! I'm just gonna learn the outside. It's so pretty here. I'm on my own, doing nothing. I'm so sad. We don't even have a TV here. Like, what is this? I can go to sleep. I'm already dressed. So, let's go to furniture.
Attends, il en a.
Oh, the better beds I already ate. Those things really cost a lot.
Alex ressemble pas à ça, puis Dove aussi n'est pas.
Moi, je filmais pas.
Je sais que c'est pas toi.
Il flic.
Quelqu'un est en train de la filmer en tout cas. Essaye de copier. Parce que Dove, tout le monde sait que c'est elle la seule qui l'a fait.
TV stuff. Oh, that's so pretty. I think there's not much furniture here. I'm so bored. I'm tired of this. I'm so tired. I've got to go now. I feel totally sick. That's why I think I'm lagging. So that's all for my first year to Royal High Classic. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Let's put a little song for you guys.